everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and I'm going to use this red paper, but it's actually kind of a pinky paper. It's a doodle, the Doodlebug Petite Prints in Cherry Dot Stripe, and then I'm going to use this blue paper, which is the Doodlebug Petite Prints Blue Jean Gingham Linen paper. So I'm starting off with these two full solid papers basically. Is what I'm going to do here. I need to, one of those pictures is not quite as wide, so I need to kind of space that out a little bit differently. And then I decided that on the left I had another photo that was a portrait photo, but it was really a repeat of one of the other photos, and I decided not to use it. So I'm going to basically make it sort of the same from on both sides. I'm going to do the strips, horizontal strips of the blue paper. So I'm going now, because I'm feeling pretty confident about how I sort of like the arrangement. I am leaving extra space on the left hand side for either my title or a journaling card or some kind of cluster. I don't quite know what that's going to be yet. I need to get a little bit further before I decide on that. So then what I did is I grabbed some ice cream paper from the Bella Boulevard Wish Big birthday song paper. It is the girl version of this because it's more pink. I think the boy version was a little bit more blue, but it's the girl version. So then I'm just going to use the dots on that, that dot stripe paper there. And there is a diagonal stripe on the back of that one. And then I'll just use my top of that to kind of make sure that everything is sitting properly. And then kind of measuring. Now, I think I've talked about this many times, but I store these in 3-ring binders so they don't sit right next to each other, and I'm fine with that gutter in the middle between the two, no problem. So I don't ever have to worry about if it doesn't exactly perfectly line up. All right, so I decided to put the photo of my stepson and number 2 on the top of the right page, because what I'm thinking I will do is do a title across the top of the left, and then I want some sort of cluster on that far left page. I found this alpha, and it's the American Crafts Stickers, and it's called Donut Worry. And that's what I'm thinking I'm going to be doing the title out of. I really love that. And I put on a couple of other sort of ice cream embellishments. I grabbed my food, my little food envelope of supplies, where I have a lot of ice cream supplies. So then I have this little sticker book from, or it's not even little, it's a big sticker book from Kawaii Crafts. It's the Kawaii Food sticker book from American Crafts, sorry. And I'm just going through to see if I can find any sort of ice cream themed things. This really is more pictures of him spending kind of like an afternoon with his mom and dad. So they took him for a haircut, and then they went for ice cream afterwards, but he did get a cool new haircut, and his hair has so many cowlicks in it. It has to be much shorter than the other boys for sure. And usually he's got some sort of really cool thing going on top, and he really likes to use gel and stuff in his hair, which I think is fun. You know, it's just a part of his personality that I like highlighting on occasion in the scrapbook. So that's why this is cool new haircut. But I do talk about spending some time with mom and dad as well. All right, so I kind of played with what I was going to do for titles for a bit, because I didn't have all the letters I needed, and I don't remember. I did this one. I'm voicing this over about 6 days after I did this actual layout. I don't remember anymore what I was thinking originally that I would do that I would make the title, but I figured it out eventually. And I'm thinking I'm just going to call this Cool Hair to begin with. Just playing around here. But what happens as I'm looking at it and kind of playing with the sizes, it's not long enough. There's too much space to the left here. So I'm going to just kind of play with that a little bit. Get those down. And then I look to see if I had any like, I don't know, hashtags or dots or something that I could use, and I didn't. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to use the numbers here to do the date, so that I'll have that fun alphabet on both sides to balance each other a little bit better and to balance that photo a little bit. So now I'm going to start my cluster on this side, and I liked that that little ice cream bar for journaling, and it's chocolate. And then and these are all from that Kawaii sticker book. And then I found all these cute little ice cream pieces or stickers there, ice cream cone stickers. So I thought that was fun. There was a little to do there. And then this cute little sticker said THUR for Thursday, because that's when they did this little date with him. So it's nice when I can use those little date stickers that are in this book. And that little top piece there says yummy. So I kind of like that. Then I decided I wanted to add some enamel dots to this for just a little extra color here. And I grabbed my Altenew Glacier Caves, and then I I added the yellow, which let me tell you what the yellow is. Sorry guys, I didn't write that one down. The yellow is Pocket Full of Sunshine, and then the blue ones that I will add are Glacier Caves. And I kind of scattered those around. I was having problems with it coming off the backing, so you will see everything all finished. And here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.